Hey there, mac and cheese lovers. Are you ready to discover the easiest mac and cheese recipe ever? Well, you're in for a treat, because today I'm going to share with you a super simple and delicious recipe that only requires 5 ingredients. Have you ever found yourself spending hours making mac and cheese from scratch or settling for a bland boxed version? I feel you. But fret not, because I've got the perfect solution for you. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the 5 simple ingredients you'll need for this recipe. We've got pasta, butter, milk, cheddar cheese, and a pinch of salt. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the cooking process. It's as easy as boiling the pasta, melting the butter, adding in the milk, cheese, and salt, and mixing it all together until you have a luscious cheese sauce coating the pasta. Voila, you've just made a gourmet mac and cheese in no time at all. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes.